Hi, this is the review of the highly requested foldable watercolor pot. So this is something that I found on TaoBao. I think you can go to my unboxing video, which is over here. I link it at the top. It's made by this Ningbo Superior Art Material Company in China. So it's supposed to come with like a palette, like a mixing area, the box for you to put your paint, and also a pot for you to wash your brushes with, and then everything can be collapsed into this just a small size. And you can they in fact gave some strap that you can clip on, and you can actually wear it on your body while you go sketching, I think. So it comes in a few colors. It has 4 colors: blue, black, pink, and green. So that is probably the color of the body of the pot, which is silicone base. So let's open this. So it comes with a strap. The strap is pretty long and it's quite thick. I think it's a good 2-inch thickness. And there are 2 of these clips that you can clip to here. This is where we can put in the brushes when it's open up. I do not know how useful this clips and this strap is, because honestly I don't think I will walk around with my watercolor palette and my portable watercolor palette like that. It seemed to be quite a strange way to carry your art material. Okay, so let's keep this first. There you can actually choose the design you want on the strap. So I think this is the colors, the designs are all quite weird. To me, this is like the most normal one. It measures about 10 cm, 10 cm by 10 cm, and when you close it, it's about 4 cm. Okay, so it's quite nifty. And there's a little slot here. I don't know what this is for. Maybe it's just a tab. Okay, but if you note at the side, there's actually another clip at the bottom. And in order to take this part out, you'll have to lift it up, okay, and lift it out. There's a notch here. Okay, it's where this end of the palette will fit, and then you just push it down, and you can close it and in place like that. So this is how you take it out from the box, from the whole assembly. So when it's really like it's a silicone based pot, which is flexible. At the top it's not, it's like harder plastic. And when you open it up fully, it measures about 9 cm. Yeah, really about 9 cm, which is actually quite a big container. So how much water do you think this pot can hold? So currently I already have 250 ml of water, and it fills up probably to the line. I have about 250 ml of water over here, and let's see how much water we can put inside here. Okay, so I've poured in about 150 ml. So, and it hasn't reached the top yet, but I don't think I want to risk it. It's really quite near, maybe about 0.5 centimeter from this pot. So wow, this pot can hold 400 ml of water. And to open this, hold on to this part, and you just flick up, right? When you flick out, you just need to, it's really just to get this off from the notch over here, this piece. So you need to pull this off, and there's a silicone cover that helps to keep your paint moist. So it's nicely cut out to fit exactly, and when you put it back, just make sure you push it down, and you can put in 16 colors, 4x4. Okay, so I think this is they actually made this so that your paint, when you squeeze it in, it will stick to the bottom, that it will hold and it doesn't come off. But I discovered that it's also possible to use a standard half pen. We are not able to use the 4 corners, and if you're going to use a half pen, you're only confined to 12 colors, but you can just drop it in like that. So good news for people who don't want to squeeze out tube paint into this palette because it's big enough to hold your half pans, which is what I'm going to do. So I will be putting my half pans into here, and the 3 notches here, it's able to hold like I think paint brushes of probably about 0.9 diameter. This is about 0.5, 0.6, and this one is less, is about 0.4 cm. Other than having these 3 slots, you also have 2 notches here, you know, for you to put your water to put your brushes. But where do I keep my brushes? So other than bringing a separate brush holder, what you can do is bring out your travel brushes, okay, and your travel pen. So I have this travel pen. This is from Muji. So it does fit the travel size brushes. So there's something that you can do. Close this, close the pot, and you can even bring a rug. You can fit it in. After putting your brushes in, remember that the bottom is actually flexible, so don't have to worry so much. Make sure that it slots in. You push it down, and remember to lock this like that. So it really looks a little bit distorted. Can you see? Because of the brushes. You can hold 3 brushes and a pen and a rug inside here. And as for the water, just bring a 500 ml bottle of water, plain water that you can use for sketching, for your art. In order to fit it in, I think the longest, okay, this is probably my longest brush after a portable brush, and it's about slightly more than, it's about 10.5 cm. So you can fit anything that is about 10.5 cm, and it shouldn't be too thick. So I think the diameter, you may want to fit something that is less than 0.8 cm inside here. If you want to hold the brushes up, it has to be less than, I think, 0.9 cm. Thicker brushes, you may want to just leave it at the top. So this is how I'll use it. Okay, I'll put the silicone mat. I'll put my rug on top of the silicone mat. Clean your brush. Take some of this water. Take your paint and mix the color over here. Wash. Clean your brush. Take more color and mix. So there's this flow that you can actually follow. So let's go out and see how we can use this in an urban sketching setting. So what do I think of the 3-in-1 portable watercolor pot? Well, I like it. It holds a lot of water, it holds 12 colors, and I can pack in 3 brushes and a pen in one small container. The working area, mixing area is big enough, and the whole thing only costs about $7. That's excluding shipping. I would recommend it if you want to get a portable palette for urban sketching.